Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel, Monique Pakapala. Welcome again, one more time. It's a pleasure to be with you. Today, we're gonna have a nice recipe. We're gonna have a plantain sandwich, okay? The breakfast sandwich avec banane pesée, okay? And for the sandwich, we're gonna use some veggie buffalo chicken. Yes. So most likely you're gonna have two recipes in one today. So we're gonna have the veggie buffalo chicken, and we have our plantain sandwich. Okay. How would I say that? So it's gonna be viande végétable, kap gen yon goût buffalo. Et puis nous gen sandwich que nous fait avec banane pesée. Okay? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be nice, different. It's a plant-based recipe, if you want to call it like that. Okay? So, are you ready? All right. I think I am ready myself too. So, let's start. Okay? Okay. This is what we need. I'm gonna use this mushroom, some cheese. I'm gonna use some pickles, olive oil, okay, our plantain, some vegetable to put in our sandwich, or spice, okay. First, we're gonna wash it, drain the water. are done. This is the final result. Smells so good too. I don't know if you can see it really good. Give me 1 second. I forgot to show you this one. You're gonna need this to flatten your plantain, okay? You can find him anywhere, Walmart, any Caribbean store, Amazon. Very handful. All right, this is my favorite part. I'm gonna try it. Have to make sure you keep things together because the cheese is melting. Got my vegetable sliding on the side. I want to make sure when you get it, everything stays together. Ooh, it's juicy. I'm gonna use my bare hands because it's juicy inside. So I don't know if I can show you. Looks so good. So good. I'm gonna take my first bite for you guys. So good. It's good. Very good. I'm in a mess. It's so delicious, guys. The plantain sandwich is the best. The plantain sandwich is the best. Try it. You won't regret it. I use my mushroom as my chicken, but you can use real chicken. You can use goat, beef, whatever meat you want. Definitely the plantain sandwich is the best. Okay, try it. Let me know if you like it. Share, comment. I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Okay, take care. Bye. Don't forget to comment. Thank you.